I don't know why I do this stuff, but I do it and then I regret it midway, which is what I see happening today. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Laurina, and today we are going to be doing the 5-minute makeup challenge. Also me, I don't know why. I don't know why. I really don't know why. So if you're interested in watching this video for some odd reason, then stay tuned. Alrighty then. First of all, I think I need to change my makeup settings. Makeup settings. Sure, I haven't filmed in a while, clearly. Let me just change my autofocus settings and then I'll be right back because I don't want it to be doing that thing. You can hear it? I don't want it to be doing that. Okay, I think focus. How? I changed the settings. What's wrong? Sure. Anyway, I think we're ready. I'm nervous because I am going to be going out with this makeup. So this is not one of those days where I film and then I wash my face and then I live my day. No, I'm actually going somewhere after this. So this makeup has to be on point, hey? Let me just put on, how do I put this on? Yo, hold on. All right, let me set the timer for 5, okay. Why are you hooking onto my phone? 5 minutes over there. I hope you can see, there you go. Why am I nervous? Like I'm actually, ooh, palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are weak. What's this one? Yeah, I feel like palms are sweaty, knees weaky, chi, what, that one, some bad. Yeah, I think I have everything that I need in front of me. I'm literally just gonna be going. I don't think I'm even gonna have enough time to explain what I'm using or why, okay? So I hope you forgive me. Otherwise, time on the clock starts now. Start. Okay, so for foundation, why am I talking? You don't have time to talk. NYX can't stop, won't stop. Come on now, don't stop now. Mixed with Revlon Color Stay. I mix these two because complexion things and sometimes they change. I'm just gonna swirl it with that and then put that on my face. My strategy for this challenge today is going in order of importance. I can kind of walk out of the house without, like, I don't know, lashes, but I can't walk out of the house without foundation. So yeah, I'm already trying to check the clock because I feel like it's already been like, because you know time flies most when you're having fun. I feel like it's already been 4.5 minutes. I needed like somebody helping me to see what the time is and kind of counting down and saying 12 seconds, 10 seconds, a referee type of somebody. Okay, Laurina, you don't need full coverage. Move on. I'm freaking out. Cause I think I have unrealistic expectations as to what this makeup is supposed to look like. I mean, it's 5 minutes, dude. You don't have time. Okay, that's enough coverage. And we've got, Yibo, show me. Oh, 3.5. No, this is a lie. No. I have to get out the house like this. Oh my gosh. I've got 3.5 minutes left. How did that happen? I talk too much. No, man. I'm not gonna have time to fix these brows. They're just gonna have to be perfect just as they are. I don't have a brow brush. I have nothing to brush them with. I'm just gonna have to move on to something. What's that something? Okay, brow gel. Let's just put on some brow gel so that our brows look a bit neat, because part of this challenge is literally leaving the house as I am when the clock strikes 0. I think that's fine. What else? Why am I freaking out? Let's put some concealer, just a little bit of concealer. I think concealer is important, right? I don't think it is important in this case. Oh my gosh. I should have written down like a hierarchy list to see what I need and I don't need, because I don't think this is a vital step in your makeup, especially when we've got 1.5 minutes left. I'm going to be using a Candid to do the deeds. Oh my gosh, why did I decide to do this and actually leave the house again? I don't know. Okay, just in case I don't get to the end of my makeup, I'm at least wanting to set what I've done. Just kind of have that there, and then I'm just gonna put on, I mean, I don't understand the challenge. Are you supposed to do everything? That's just, oh, can you just do 1.5? No, this is a lie. What? Who does that? No, I don't even have, I haven't even, no. Guys, no. 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 Why am I saying that? Stop. Don't call me. Oh my gosh. I can't answer the phone. I can't answer you, Mom. I'll call you back. Does my timer stop? Because, Mom, I'll call you back. That's just making me even more nervous. Okay, let's put on highlighter, even though my face is not dry yet. I will call you back. Okay, let me just, she's gonna kill me. 35 seconds. Okay. Mom, I'll call you back. This is not helping. What else? Okay, lip balm, because I don't want dry lips. And then this is my look for the day. Mom, I'll call you back. You're making me nervous. I think I've run out of time. 9 seconds. What else can I do? 9 seconds. What else can I do? 9 seconds. I don't know. Oh my gosh, it must be an emergency because Mom won't stop calling. Okay, I think that's it. And I've run out of time. Let me answer my mother, y'all. Hello. Bye. She called me about something happening 2 hours from now. 2. Did you hear how that phone was ringing? You know what? It's okay. Okay, so what I managed to do was eyebrows, which is a lot, foundation, highlighter or highlighting, setting off the highlight, and setting spray. Which I feel like, I mean, really guys, if you are a working woman that goes to work every day and you literally have 5 minutes to do your makeup, that's probably what you're gonna do, right? The steps that I just did right now, that's probably all you're gonna do. I think the most important thing to do with this 5 minute, okay, so this one side is highlighted, but I'm not touching it up, I swear. I'm going out like this, I'm not even touching that up. This is me, I'm going out like this. And I am going to my meeting like this. And the meeting that I'm going to later on, your looks are important, shame. I can't lie. I can't even lie. So really all I'm going to be living on for this meeting is my confidence, because the makeup ain't it, sis. Yo, look at that. It's a blotch of highlight. You know what? I'm gonna go out and live my day. It is now 20 past 3. I am going to check back in at whenever it is I'm going to sleep. Okay, so I can show you guys what a 5-minute makeup look looks like, because I know we're always talking about, oh, you must highlight, you must set, you must setting spray, you must do all this, you must do all that. I have oily skin. It is quite sunny outside. I'm going to be exercising, so I'm going to be exercising by walking to the mall and walking back, hopefully making it in time to then fetch my car and go for my meeting. So this makeup is definitely going to be tested. I wish I had used one foundation, then it would also be a foundation review, but I guess I'm reviewing my combination of the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop mixed with the Revlon foundation, because I like both of the foundations for different things. So I guess now you're just like testing out my combination. This is I mean, it's not bad, but guys, really, it's so bland. Ew. But yeah, okay, check you later. Remember years ago, someone told me I should take caution when it comes to love. I didn't. Y'all know that song? Comment down below whether you know that song. I think I've got a bald patch over here happening, but I don't know. Anyway, it is now. Let me just check the time and also try and, do I have batteries? Oh, I keep stealing my batteries. Let me get batteries for my ring light so that you can see like accurately what my face looks like. Hold up. Alrighty, so this is the makeup, that 5-minute makeup look. After the whole day, I am very much impressed. Oh, no. It's clearly late. It is almost 8 o'clock. So I've actually managed to live out the whole day with this makeup. Listen, if my brows just looked a bit more put together, and if I managed to put on like false lashes, I see nothing wrong with this look. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how far this look took me. So technically I could do my makeup in like 10 minutes if we were really going to analyze the situation here, because the only thing that I didn't do was put on lipstick and lashes. Basically I did everything else. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you want me to do another challenge. I know I've already done 2 challenges now. Hopefully I've posted the no brushes makeup challenge. This is the 5-minute makeup challenge. If there's any other challenges that you want me to do, let me know down in the description box below. Let me know on Instagram, Twitter, whatever, Facebook, anywhere, girl, just thanks. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next